Walcott Radio began in 1986. It was actually founded by my father, and it was really built out of the necessity to provide CB radios for the American truck driver. It's been the foundation for our industry, for really everything that we do. We work directly with truck drivers. They come to our retail store. We talk to them on the phone. We intimately know the ins and outs of their vehicles. That's been the driving force for everything that we've been doing for almost 40 years.
It's important to drivers to have a working radio. It's critical for their safety, knowing what's ahead on the road. It's also important when you show up at the scale shack or the grain depot.
We offer a variety of services that I think really make us stand out. In particular, everybody that works here uses the products that we sell. We know the products that we sell. We actually have hands-on experience.
We're always there to help when you purchase something from us, over the phone or in person. I think that's the big difference.
With our different departments, we can have someone who is an expert on trucks, what kind of antenna would work best, that sort of thing. Our service department, we can be the experts on how to make these radios work right. And by having so much experience across multiple people, we can really get more answers to you more quickly.
When somebody walks into our store, I think the first thing they're going to notice is that we have a lot of inventory on hand, everything that they could possibly think to need.
All types of products, not just for CB use, but for ham operators, stuff for your semis, stuff for off-roading vehicles, stuff for pickup trucks. It's not centered around one type of system. We've got a pretty broad selection of inventory here for such things.
Walcott Radio offers both a retail location and a warehouse location. What that really boils down to is people can still walk in, talk to us, or if you're just not in the area, we now have an entire operation set up to get the same equipment, the same level of service delivered to you as quickly as possible. Walcott Radio is the industry leader because nobody else can offer the same quantity of products, quality of service, get the orders delivered as quickly as we can. We really are a machine of getting you what you need as quickly as possible.
It feels good when you can actually help somebody and they feel good about what happened. The experience they have matters.
We are always innovating. It's a constant daily reminder for us to find new ways to help facilitate better orders, better customer support, to stay on top of new trends in the market, figure out what new types of equipment are actually going to solve problems for people. We're always working towards betterment.